What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. So there are some bearish signals that are flashing that I want to get into with you guys. Currently, we're sitting at 45,911. We're up about 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 862 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 37.41 billion. So the first thing we're going to look at is the Fear Greed Index. And we are trending into greedy. We're currently sitting at 71, and the smart money, when the market gets greedy, it's time to take profits. The whales, when they see the retail investors starting to get greedy, starting to think that the price is just going to go to the moon, they know it's time to sell. They know it's time to take profits. This is a great indicator, guys. If you come over to, it's called alternative.me, you can find the Fear and Greed Index, and combined with other signals and with technical analysis, you can know when to take profits. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. We also have some chain analysis here. So Bitcoin inflows to exchanges over the last day is up 40%. And when Bitcoin starts to flow back onto the exchanges, it's a strong sign that you're going to see some sell-off, that the whales, that many of the retail investors that have Bitcoin stored in cold wallets, stored in DeFi, they're bringing it back to the exchange so they can take some profits. All right, guys, so do keep an eye on that as well. And we can see here the change in BTC held on exchanges over the last day has increased by 100%. So Bitcoin is moving back onto the exchanges, and that can signify that many wallets are going to start taking profits. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into the technical analysis. We're going to start here on the daily. We broke above 42,713. We are back testing it as support currently. We are overextended, as I've been saying. We are seeing a small bearish divergence on the daily. If we pop over to the 4-hour chart, just a quick drink of water, guys, you could argue here that we're seeing a bit of a rising wedge pattern. We do have that next level of resistance at 47,387, but we are overextended, guys. So if you start to see us fall out of this pattern, that's when we can come back down to 42K, and our technical target of this rising wedge is down here at 37.5. So not financial advice, but when you start to see a lot of greed in the market, when you see a lot of Bitcoin flowing back onto the exchanges, you see bearish patterns, you see bullish divergences, a rising wedge, don't hesitate to take some profits. You know, you can take a nice lady or gentleman out on a date, and she'll be like, wow, that was the best date I've had in so long. You'll be like, it's that crypto money, baby. She's like, oh, well, maybe we can go back to your place and analyze the charts. Okay, mama, but I can't promise that I won't be a pump and a dump. Oh my god, my jokes are the worst. Hey guys, treat women like queens. They're goddesses. They're sent from above. I mean, not all of them. Some of them are witches and practice voodoo, but many of them are goddesses, so treat them well, all right? But not too. Don't be a nice guy, because they're just gonna use you. Okay, guys, so do keep an eye on that rising wedge here. If we do fall out, our levels of support are here at 42K, and then we have 37.5K, which is the technical target of our rising wedge here. We are due for a correction, guys. We're overextended on the daily. As you can see here, we've broken far away from the EMAs. If we quickly look at the weekly chart, oh, come on, African internet. Okay, it's pretty fast today. So we're looking very strong on the weekly. I'm going to actually open up on a fresh chart here. Let's use maybe BitBay, see if this one's better. No, this is absolute trash. Just a little bit of patience, guys. Let's try Bybit. I'm just trying to get, okay, this is not too bad here. I'm just going to take these out. A little bit of patience, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy, and hopefully you eat a delicious meal today. I just went to the grocery store and I bought like at least $100 worth of groceries for $40 because I'm in Africa. All right, guys. So you can see we've broken above the 20 EMA. So even if we come down to those levels of support that we dropped in here, 42K, 37K, we'd be coming down and finding support on the 20 EMA. If we come down to 37, we'll break the 20 a little bit. So it would be healthy for us to bounce off 42K, or possibly on the weekly here, the EMA will catch up and it'll be around 40 to 42K. Where we hold support, we want to hold support on the weekly, would be very bullish and a very strong sign. But in my opinion, some sell-off is imminent, so don't hesitate to take profits. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So you do you. I just give my advice and you know, tell you how I feel. But we are seeing greed, guys. The market is getting greedy. and we're seeing a lot of Bitcoin flowing back to the exchanges, which is a sign that investors and traders are looking to take profits. When Bitcoin is flowing, when there's outflow, when it's moving into cold wallets, when it's moving off the exchanges, that's a bullish sign. They're looking to hold their Bitcoin because they believe the price is going to rise. But when it starts to flow back onto the exchanges, it's a strong signal that we're going to see some sell-off, and we're going to see a lot of investors and traders start to take profits. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Shout out to you. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Follow me on social. Sign up to Bybit, up to $1,600 in bonuses till August 18th. My favorite trading platform for leverage. Check out crypto.com. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.